A CNC spinning machine is a device that realizes the spinning forming of metal sheets with the help of numerical control technology. It can form the required flanges on the edge of the sheet by precisely controlling the movement of the spinning tools, thereby enhancing the structural strength and connection stability of the components. The processing of air ducts, chassis and other products is inseparable from it. It can quickly switch product specifications by modifying programs, and is widely used in ventilation systems, electronic equipment, aerospace and other fields. The CNC spinning machine takes numerical control technology as its core, controlling the movement path and action sequence of the spinning tools by writing programs. The spinning tools will select appropriate dies according to processing requirements, and form flanges on the edge of the sheet through rolling or stamping. If you are struggling with the choice of metal processing equipment, feel free to contact us now.